Thanks to the rain. Finally, umulan. Look the weather. Thanks, friend. You are the best. Oh my God. You see? Look the bird. She was enjoying the rain. Hala, babay na. Ay, baka makilatan tayo dito ba? Bakasan mo pa. Naliligo yung ibon. Tingnan natin siya kung paano siya maligo. Maligo din siguro ako sa ulan. Baka sisipunin lang tayo nito ba? Kainggit naman yung ibon. Enjoy the rain, bird. But there's a lot of bunga, may manga here. See? And over there the chicken also. And hello, ang lakas na guys. Sarap maligo. Kaya lang baka biglang kumilat ba ay maiigo tayo sa kilat. May pagkadaran-darani na natos dyan, yes. Oh my God. And look the chicken.